Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and today is Thursday, November 4th at 4:18. And the futures markets have just closed for a few minutes. They'll open back up at 4:30, be open for a half an hour, then close and open back up at 6 o'clock. Yesterday was Fed Day, and I want to show you how Swing Machine is positioned on the major markets, namely the indices, and we'll take a little peek at oil on a 60-minute, 240-minute, and a daily interval. But before I do, let me just remind everyone, I am not a broker. I am not a financial advisor. I am not, nor do I ever, make specific recommendations for anyone to buy or sell anything. Nor do we make any claims whatsoever that Swing Machine or any of our other algos, and we have about 70 what we call proprietary indicators, strategies, and radars that are meant to assist professional traders who have acquired trading skill, some better than others, some are new and jump right at it, and some, work at it. It's always a work in progress like any other sport. And they use these tools to get the job done. The mission at Stock Market Caddy is to help you learn to trade your game, not mine, not someone else's. And to that extent, you must be a mature trader and a mature person to accept responsibility. I am more than happy during our Q School program to help you cut the steak. Okay? But I can't chew the steak for you. It takes time. It takes time. And if anyone is looking at our tools thinking that I'm presenting this information or these tools as some sort of red light, green light system, and if I buy that, yeah, I'm going to print money. No, I'm not. I can't emphasize that enough. I'm not. We've made dozens and dozens and dozens of videos, and I say this all the time. Trading is an acquired skill. Flying an airplane is an acquired skill. Just because an airplane has an autopilot doesn't mean that you can jump into the jet and fly it around town for a few weeks. It takes time. All right. So that said, by the way, if you have an interest in Stock Market Caddy, if what we say, if our tools have captured your interest or resonate with you, you are more than welcome to give me a call. 813-758-8263. And we can chat. The website explains our current membership. We're going to change those memberships come the first of the year. For existing members, the pricing won't go any higher. That we promise. It's also quite likely that the cost of Stock Market Caddy will go up the first of the year. Now, let's look at what Swing Machine has done. First, we look at the S&P cash. On a daily basis, Swing Machine went long 15 days ago. Now, the purse here is not a leverage product, so it shows just $208.69. What that translates is it's provided for 208 S&P points. That is huge. Someone with a call option or what have you would have been in at 4471.37, 208 points ago, and the trend is perfectly intact. The VIX on a 1 hour basis is starting to rise. This is on a 1 hour basis. On a daily basis, and we can change this very quickly, and I'll do that. Let me just show you how easy this is. By the way, Swing Machine does not use moving averages. We don't believe they work. But on a VIX basis, fair gauge, Swing Machine has been short the VIX for 195 days, going all the way back to February 3rd. 195 days that trend has been down. The fair gauge, when it's trending down, the markets are for the most part up, and that's been the case with a few exceptions. We keep an eye on that VIX and the S&P cash. This is the S&P futures contract. S&P 60-minute, 100 hours ago. We have members that went long at this price, at this time, on this day, and are up that much money on one mini contract. Some members use micros, some members use minis more. That trend is intact. On a 240-minute, 240 minutes ago, 95 segments, almost 15,000. And on a daily basis, 15 days ago, at this price, at this time, on this date, and the trend is intact, one mini contract would be up 10,500. The NASDAQ, 100 hours ago, what a coinkydink, precisely the same time. How about them apples? Computers, folks. One mini contract long with swing machine at this price, at this time, on this date, trend intact, nearly $13,000. The 240, 240 segments ago, or 240 minutes, at 2 a.m. on the 14th, nearly $30,000. 14 days ago on a daily basis, nearly 21,000. The Dow, you get the idea, 117 hours, $2,000. 94, 240 minute segments ago, it's a little awkward to say, 76.35. YM, 15 days ago, 4,100. The Russell, 120 hours ago, nearly $6,000. That trend is under a little bit of pressure here this evening. 240 minute, 31 of those ago, 5,000. 17 days ago, nearly 8,000. You get the idea. Gold in transition. U.S. Treasuries doing its thing. Oil. 38 hours ago, our members went short. They're up nearly $4,000 with one mini. On a daily basis, they're long 40 days ago. This is also a wonderful hedging tool. You get the idea. This is robotic. This is mechanical, but it does not trade by itself. Although it can be automated, it can be used fully automated, it can be used semi-automated, it can be used as a guide. But in the end, do not let me leave you or anyone with the impression that you can just acquire these tools and start trading without acquiring trading skill, machine skill. You must learn to use the machine in much the same way that a pilot, I can't think of another analogy, must learn to fly the plane. There are switches that need to be learned. There are tools within the cockpit that need to be learned, settings, and so forth. We do our best during our Q School to expose this to you. But if you've never done it before, understand that the Q School is just a start. I was pointed out by someone the other day and said, your Q School should be 3 months. Well, that depends. For some people, it could be a year. We unfortunately can't run the Q School for a year. We are there to support our annual members. The Q School is 3 weeks plus. It's a start. Once you start going down the road of becoming a mechanical robotic trader, it's a lifetime. It's a wonderful way to go. It does everything to get the emotion out. Now, one needs to be a mature trader and a mature person to both recognize that and to be prepared for that. Some people are, most aren't. I'm Bag It On, Stock Market Caddy. If this interests you, if this resonates with you, and you are that mature trader, give me a call, 813-758-8263. If not, I wish you the best. And if you're getting it done, whatever that is, just keep doing it. Good luck, everybody.